What's up, everybody? We're coming at you guys again with another video. Unfortunately, it's another light video, but I'm hoping this light will solve the license plate little 194 problem of always going out. So we're just going to jump into it. I'm going to do like kind of an unboxing and then a little install. So you open them up and they come with step-by-step instructions on how to change them. It's very simple. And then comes with the whole light housing, and they're all LED bulbs in there. It's all on like a little circuit board. And then you got your little 194 adapter or connector piece. So if like your lenses down here are all faded, then this takes care of that problem too. So let's go ahead and jump in and show you guys how to take these off and replace them real quick. Okay, so here under the truck, you're going to go up and look for, that's the passenger one right here. So you might need a screwdriver, you might be able to get it out with just your hands, but you're going to take, and oh man, this is hard to do with filming and trying to get this out. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so you just press that one side. Oops, sorry. You guys just press that one side in, and then this side slides this way, and push it out. So now back here on the outside, you just take and you gonna grab that camera. See, twist the bulb out. Take that bulb out. Get rid of that. And you take your new one and you plug it in. And then to check it before you go and put it all the way in, just push the unlock. Make sure it lights up. And take and twist this guy back into here. And then it slides in. This side slides into the little notch first. Let's see, there's the little notch there. So it slides in, then pushes in. You'll hear it clip. So from that one to that one. And that one was completely out. They both were. But that's complete daytime. These things are extremely bright at night. So there you guys go on how to kind of what they are. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can get these. I've had them in my truck. I kind of bought them and tested them in my truck. I've had them for almost a year with no problems at all. So going ahead and throwing them in the wife's truck. Again, there they are. Found them on Amazon. I see a lot of people with the Chevys getting these and throwing them on, and a lot of people love them. There's been a few that's had a problem, but like I said, I've almost had them for a year and I've never had a problem with them. So there you guys go, check them out. And like I said, I'll leave the link in the description. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.